Hello guys, real quick video, this Curtis from All the Kings Projects. Hey guys, back on the coronavirus fire pit challenge. Anyway, I think I'm finally done with welding on it. I kind of got tired of it. Went ahead and primered up the welds so they wouldn't rust anymore. But anyway, I've got it turned up on its side, and you can see that I've painted it up a little bit, and we're gonna paint it up in that probably the black high temperature paint. I'm gonna go tomorrow and see if I can find some. I think for like barbecue grill, and we'll use that on there. But anyway, you can see what I did there on the bottom, cut it out and welded it in. But I think I'm done with the welding and grinding, and there's the grill, got it over here. But anyway, I think that's gonna be a good deal on it. And like I say, if you haven't started your challenge yet, I invite you to do your challenge. Again, we're using the simple wire welder, flux wire welder from Harbor Freight, the cheap cut-off wheel tool with the cheap cut-off disc and grinder disc. What my challenge is if you have never used your wire welder in a long time, the challenge is like you would be doing this is if you would be welding for the first time. My challenge is to see how horrible you can make your welds with your cheap wire welder. Some of you guys have been welding for a while, and it's going to be a challenge because you're used to making good, perfect welds, or a lot better welds than chicken scratch or turkey poop, as they say. But anyway, that's what the challenge is. And I don't care if you grind off your welds. You can do that. I tried that and gave up on it. And so I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And I'm going to call it my rat rod firebox. And y'all can just try your best to making it look bad. No, you can make it look good after you've done your welds. I want to see how bad you can make your welds. That's what the challenge is to take an old bathtub that's rusted out, or one that you've just replaced because you didn't like it anymore. Doesn't matter color, because you're going to repaint it anyway. You're going to paint it back your high temperature black. And once you're done with it, I want you to sit and enjoy it, sit around it and enjoy it, and roast marshmallows or hot dogs, or drink your coffee while you're sitting around the fire, and do whatever you want to with it. But I want to see Jonathan W., Waylon Wire, and maybe old Rat Rod Bob, maybe Mr. Heavy Chevy. I know y'all guys don't know me, but you know guys through Waylon Wire and Jonathan W. Oh, I didn't forget about you over there at Half-Ass Customs. Love your work, dude. Love your work. Love what you're doing, Jonathan. I'm loving what you're doing. Loving you building that truck from scratch, and the other trucks and cars that you've built and especially that Cadillac V8. That is a neat engine. I've never seen one with exhaust like that, and I never knew that the Cadillac engine, the flathead, was like that. And it sounds real cool. But anyway, you guys probably ain't gonna do it. But anyway, this is my challenge to myself, and to try to learn how to weld better. And I've got a long ways to go. Maybe it's the welder that I'm using. Maybe I need to update and get the next step up above and get the other type welder. Maybe it's a little bit better welder, or just learn how to weld better. And you see that I did pretty good right here with the weld. It's just trial and error. Eventually I'll learn. But for what I'm doing, I'm going to build on my rat rod over there on Bullet, which I'm going to get back on it. We'll get back on it sometime during the summer. I've got some more row cages to build and more back deck to build and stuff like that to weld in. And I've got to do some more work on that fuel tank. I think most of y'all know that I put a keg in it for a fuel tank, and I've got to figure out how to run the fuel neck to it. Haven't decided what I want to do with it. But anyway, I've got, like I say, more welding to do. I've got to weld up the exhaust, the headers. I've got to figure out how I'm going to bend them back down to go up back underneath the car, or however I'm going to do it. But anyway, I could chase a lot of rabbits and yammer on. But anyway, I'm going to jump off here. You guys have a wonderful rest of your evening. Tomorrow's Monday. Some of y'all going back to work. Make a good day of it. Hey guys, you know the next day's Tuesday. That's the day after you're starting your way back toward the next weekend. But anyway, I'm going to say peace out. And God bless y'all. And like I always say, make the best of every day and make the next day even better. Bye-bye, y'all. Catch you next time.